Hello everyone, welcome to the U.S. Marine Channel. The B-1 Lancer is a supersonic variable swept-wing heavy bomber used by the United States Air Force. Commonly known as the Bone, from B-1. As of 2023, it is one of 3 strategic bombers in the U.S. Air Force fleet, along with the B-2 Spirit and B-52 Stratofortress. The B-1 was first used in combat in support of operations in Iraq during Operation Desert Fox in December 1998, employing unguided GP weapons. Subsequently, B-1s were used in coalition Kosovo operations, particularly Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan and the 2003 invasion of Iraq. B-1s have deployed a variety of conventional weapons into battle, led by the GBU-31, a 2,000-pound, 910-kilogram JDAM. In the first 6 months of Operation Enduring Freedom, 8 B-1s dropped almost 40% of their airborne ordnance, including approximately 3,900 JDAMs. JDAM munitions were heavily used by B-1s over Iraq, most notably in a failed attempt to kill Saddam Hussein and his 2 sons on April 7, 2003. During Operation Enduring Freedom, the B-1 was able to increase its mission accomplishment rate to 79%. The B-1B is a wing and fuselage configuration that combines a variable geometry wing with a turbofan afterburning engine to provide long range, maneuverability, and high speed for enhanced survivability. The forward wing is used for takeoff and landing, aerial refueling, and weapons use scenarios at high altitude. The aft wing sweep setting, primary combat configuration, is typically used during subsonic and supersonic flight to enhance the B-1B's maneuverability at low and high altitude ranges. The B-1B can be seamlessly integrated into mixed force packages due to its speed and superior handling characteristics. These capabilities, coupled with a substantial payload, excellent radar targeting system, long dwell time, and survivability, make the B-1B a key element of any combined strike force. A versatile multi-mission weapon system, the B-1B's synthetic aperture radar is capable of tracking, targeting, and engaging moving vehicles, as well as self-aiming and terrain-following modes. In addition, the highly accurate Global Positioning System, Assisted Inertial Navigation System, allows the aircrew to navigate without the use of ground-based navigation aids and acquire targets with a high degree of accuracy. In addition, Link 16's fully integrated data link, FIDL, improves battlefield situational awareness and enables secure out-of-sight reach-back connections. In time-sensitive target environments, aircrews can use target data received from the Joint Air Operations Center or other command and control assets to strike new targets quickly and efficiently. The B-1 onboard self-defense electronic jamming equipment, radar warning receiver, ALQ-161, anti-wear countermeasure system, chaff and flare, and towed decoy system, AL-50, form an integrated and robust defense system that complements its low radar cross-section and supports penetration of hostile airspace. The ALQ-161 electronic countermeasure system detects and identifies the full spectrum of hostile threat emitters and applies appropriate jamming techniques automatically or with operator input. Current improvements build on this foundation. Radar sustainability and capability upgrades will provide a more reliable system and may be upgraded in the future to include ultra-high-resolution capabilities and automatic target recognition. The addition of Link 16 and FIDL and associated cockpit upgrades will provide a more flexible and integrated cockpit for the crew, allowing the B-1 to operate in the fast-paced integrated battlefield of the future. Several outdated and difficult-to-maintain electronic systems will also be replaced to improve aircraft reliability. The B-1A was initially developed in the 1970s as a successor to the B-52. 4 prototypes of this long-range, high-speed, Mach 2.2 strategic bomber were developed and tested in the mid-1970s, but the program was canceled in 1977 before entering production. Flight testing continued until 1981. The B-1 was an improved version, initiated by the Reagan administration in 1981. Major changes included structural additions to increase the payload to 74,000 pounds, radar improvements, and a single-digit reduction in radar cross-sectional area. As part of this RCS reduction, the air intake had to be significantly modified and the maximum speed reduced to Mach 1.2. The United States discontinued the B-1's nuclear mission in 1994. Despite the fact that the Air Force did not expend funds to maintain its nuclear capability, the B-1 remained considered a nuclear-armed heavy bomber until 2007. Conversion to conventional weapons began in November 2007 under the START Treaty and was completed in March 2011 under the New START Treaty. 2 steps were taken to make this conversion possible. In the first step, a metal cylindrical sleeve was welded to the rear mounting of each set of B-1 pylon attachments. This made it impossible to attach the pylons to the B-1 air-launched cruise missile. In the second phase, the 2 nuclear armament cable connectors in each of the B-1 weapon bays were removed. This prevented pre-alarm signals from reaching the weapons. The B-1 holds nearly 50 world records in its class, including speed, payload, range, and climb time. The National Aeronautics Association has recognized the B-1 as having accomplished the 10 most memorable record flights of 1994. The latest record was made official in 2004. The B-1, the U.S. variable wing strategic bomber, entered service in 1986 as the successor to the B-52 Stratofortress. The B-1 was designed to penetrate radar-guided air defenses at low altitudes. 2 versions were built by Rockwell International. The B-1A, which first flew in 1974, was designed to reach twice the speed of sound at high altitudes and could carry nuclear bombs or short-range attack missiles, SRAMs. The B-1B was a basic airframe with added stealth features such as contour blending and radar-absorbing material. The first B-1B flew in 1984, and by 1988, 4 wings, totaling 100 bombers, were in operation at bases in the continental United States. The B-1B is 147 feet, 44.8 meters, long, and approximately 137 feet, 42 meters, with its wings spread. Its 4 General Electric turbofan engines are capable of accelerating above the speed of sound at 40,000 feet, 12,000 meters, but its normal cruising speed is subsonic. When the wings are fully retracted, the B-1B can drop to 60 meters above the ground and fly at Mach 0.9, 670 miles per hour or 1,080 kilometers per hour. It can carry 8 air-launched cruise missiles or 24 SRAMs. With 37,000 pounds, 16,800 kilograms, of ordnance, the B-1B can fly 4,600 miles, 7,400 kilometers, without refueling.